Hi, I'm Lisa Elle, author of Strut, How to Kick Financial Assets in Sexy Shoes, and I want to tell you about something very important today, something that's going to kind of pull at your heartstrings a little bit because I want to talk about insurance for children. Now, it is important to have insurance for children, not just life insurance, but also critical illness insurance. Because if something were to ever happen to your child and they had to be in a hospital and you had to take time off of work, what is probably going to suffer is your finances. And that is also a typically financially just like stressful time for a family, and not just financially but emotionally and everything else. So we want to minimize that risk of the financial tension. So one way we do that is getting insurance on the child, life insurance or critical illness. Now, the cool thing is that there's an amazing policy out there, and I'm coming to you right now from Canada, so I'm not sure if you're listening to this from another country, if you found this on the internet, but in Canada, we have this amazing policy where you get life insurance for your kid or critical illness insurance or your money back after 20 years. Because here's the real truth. At the end of the day, you know what's going to happen for most children? They're going to grow up to be healthy and happy and a little crazy if they're like mine. So the best thing is that we're probably going to get our premiums back after 20 years, which is awesome. Yes, there's no interest on the money, but who cares? You've had coverage for 20 years if something were to happen to your child. The other thing, too, that's so important is insurability. If your child, for some reason in the future, say can't qualify for life insurance or critical illness insurance, they'll already have a policy that's paid up. These policies are typically paid up, meaning no more future payments needed after 20 years. So it's kind of like a 4-in-1 policy. You've got life insurance or critical illness or all your money back after 20 years. Or if you choose to keep it, you have that life insurance or critical illness in force for life. So these policies are out there. Not all advisors know about them. It is sold through the independent channel. So if you go, say, to a specific company, they may not have this policy, but it's out there. And if you find a great insurance advisor, they'll be able to help you get these policies for your children. The other thing that's so important too is that these aren't that expensive. Typical face amounts are 25,000, 50,000, and even 100,000. So it's not a lot of insurance, but it's enough to kind of help buffer those really critical and honestly devastating times that unfortunately families have to go through. So that's just what I want to share with you from my heart. I'm Lisa L, and you can get a free no obligation quote from me at lisa@elementsgroup.com, or check me out online at Lisa L, lisaelle.ca, lisaL.ca. Thanks so much, and I wish you a great day. We'll talk to you soon.